Hi, I am Dr. Vineet Kumar Surana and I am working in the Manipal Hospital, Dwarka, New Delhi as a consultant in Department of Endocrinology and Diabetes. Today on this World Diabetes Day, we are going to talk something about the diabetes which all of us should know and become responsible towards our own diabetes. So first of all, it's very important for us to understand that what is diabetes. Diabetes is basically a syndromic disease where your blood glucose go higher than a normal level, and if your blood glucose remains higher than a normal level, then it causes damage to your internal organ systems, which includes almost every organ, but predominant effect you see over the eyes, over the kidney, over the hearts, and over your nervous system. So it's important that we diagnose our diabetes at an early stage so that we can avoid these kind of the complications. To diagnose diabetes, the usual symptoms which we talk about is that patient may have a higher urination, increased frequency of urination in the night. Also, they can have a increased thirst, frequent hunger, and also they may feel always tired. So these are the common symptoms which we see in a patient with the diabetes. But remember, these symptoms are very late to present. Usually you start having these symptoms when the blood glucose go beyond 250, 300 and so, and we don't want you to wait till that level. So it is important also to think about the screening of the diabetes. Screening is something which we talk about, something like patients who are with the high risk factor. So what is the high risk factor that we need to understand? The high risk factors are something where either you have a family history of diabetes, you are with a weight which is on a higher side, you have a hypertension, you have heart disease, or a woman who have a history of gestational diabetes mellitus or history of PCOS. These all are on the higher risk of the diabetes, and they need to monitor their blood glucose after 35 years of age at least once a year. And also, even if you don't have a history of the diabetes, family history of diabetes, still it is important for you to keep checking your blood glucose after 40 years of age every yearly. If you are in a kind of the profession which is very stressful, you see that your weight gain is happening over the years, you have a sedentary lifestyle. Now, what are the levels which you need to look for and where you need to get alert? That's important. So, any blood glucose in a fasting state which is going beyond 100, or in a postprandial stage, that is 2 hours after the glucose taking, is beyond 140, or HbA1c, that's the 3 months blood glucose average, which is between 5.7 to 6.4, is put you at a risk of the diabetes, and that we call as a pre-diabetes. So this is the first stage where you need to be alert and start taking care of your diabetes in terms of not medicine, but in terms of the lifestyle modification, means healthy food, healthy exercise, and as well as stress management. However, if your blood glucose after the testing is beyond 125 of the fasting, or beyond 200 of the postprandial, or your HbA1c which is 6.5 or more, is directly put you in a category of the frank diabetes. This is the one place where you will be started on the medication to start with. However, yes, your medication can be stopped if you start following a good healthy lifestyle. So what are the healthy lifestyle which we discuss about? The 5 important factors which I will discuss today is: 1, a good diet management. So the good diet management means you are taking lesser amount of the carbohydrate, and we as an Indian eats almost 60 to 70% of the food proportion as a carbohydrate, which is way too high. We need to curtail it down to less than 50%. 1. Second, increase the fiber amount. Fiber can be from the fruits, from the vegetables, from the various seeds which are very famous nowadays. Have a healthy fat. Healthy fat means something like a nuts, olive oils, or even the mustard oil, which is considered as a healthy fat, so that can be taken. Also, increase your protein to an extent which is adequate. We as an Indian are usually predominantly who are the vegetarian are always on a lesser side of the protein intake, so that is something which we need to increase. If you are vegetarian, you can easily increase through the soya beans, through the pulses, which are a good source of the protein. Also, start exercising. Now the exercise means you need to have at least 30 minutes of brisk walk. What I talk about is a brisk walk means the speed should be around 5 to 6 kilometer per hour that need to be continued at least 30 minutes 5 days in a week. But if you are on a higher side of the weight, it is always good to have an walk of at least 1 hour. Along with this aerobic exercise, it is also important to have some amount of resistive exercise. That means either a weightlifting or a good yoga, or something like a where you can do the push-ups, sit-ups. So these are the good factors. And the lastly, which I will stress upon, is the stress management. Now, in the cities, we all are always stressed upon. We are always on the toes for any kind of work or the family responsibility or whatever. So do something which you like most on a daily basis and manage your stress. Because if you can manage the diet, exercise, and your stress level, remember your medication requirement will be to the minimum, and you will have a really healthy life, and you will defeat the diabetes without even thinking once. So, this is my message for this World Diabetes Day, and I thank you all and wish you a very good health.